Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're venturing into the deep, dark and utterly alien world of fungi. But we're not just studying it, we're becoming it. What if we were fungi? Not animals, not plants, something older, stranger, and possibly more powerful. First off, you wouldn't be a single organism in the traditional sense, you'd be a network, a mycelial web of microscopic threads spreading underground. Think of it as biological Wi-Fi, one that connects trees, exchanges nutrients, and even transmits signals across forests. You'd feel more like a planet-wide brain than a body. As fungi, you ditch the brain and limbs, but gain something even stranger: distributed intelligence. Some fungi can solve mazes, navigate complex environments, and even make collective decisions without neurons. You'd think with your threads, feel with your roots, and act across miles without moving a muscle. You'd be ancient. Fungi are some of the oldest life forms on Earth, over 1 billion years old, before animals, before trees. Some scientists believe humans share a more recent common ancestor with fungi than with plants. That's right, you're closer to mushrooms than to lettuce. Your body would stretch underground, invisible but immense. A single organism of Armillaria ostoii in Oregon is considered the largest living thing on Earth, covering over 3.4 square miles. You wouldn't be a person, you'd be an ecosystem. Now for your face. Above the surface, you'd grow mushrooms, not as a body part, but as a fruiting structure. They're like the apples on your tree, releasing spores to spread your DNA. Each mushroom could release up to 50 million spores per hour, blanketing the air with your descendants. Your reproduction would be wild. Some fungi have over 23,000 mating types, meaning almost any two individuals can reproduce. Forget monogamy. Fungal love is weird, diverse, and practically universal. And in some species, reproduction involves fusing together into one organism. You'd be a master chemist. You know, fungi produce antibiotics, hallucinogens, and deadly toxins. Imagine you could create penicillin to heal, psilocybin to bend minds, or aflatoxins that kill crops. You'd be like a walking laboratory, dripping with chemical defenses and mind-altering power. Fascinating, isn't it? Your diet: decay. You'd digest the dead, breaking down leaves, wood, and even rock. You'd be nature's cleanup crew, recycling nutrients that keep ecosystems alive. Without fungi, forests would suffocate under their own dead weight. In some scenarios, you could be terrifying. The cordyceps fungus invades insects' bodies, controls their minds, and makes them climb to high points before exploding with spores. If humans were fungi, could you control others? Could your spores think? But you wouldn't just be creepy, you'd be critical. Fungi form symbiotic relationships with over 90% of all plants. They help roots absorb nutrients and defend against disease. Without fungi, life on land might never have existed at all. So what if you were fungi? You'd be ancient, invisible, and everywhere. A silent architect of ecosystems, a chemical genius, a master of life and death. From brainless intelligence to global communication webs, being a fungus might be the strangest and smartest form life can take. If you loved this fungal transformation, give us a like, drop a spore in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reality-twisting what-if adventures.